Hi, this is Mike from Haeger Engineering. I'm here to show you some new features to the site planning software that we at Haeger are using. Our office is located in Schaumburg, Illinois, which is shown on this Google Maps window here. With this software, as I've previously shown in some videos, we can get site information on anywhere that Google Maps has imagery. And I'm showing here a small town in southwest Minnesota where my parents grew up, just as an example of a property that we can do some evaluation services on anywhere where we don't have any information, we don't have surveys for it using this software. So what I'm going to do is zoom in on an area and select it, and the software is going to bring that into Site Ops. It's going to use a Google SketchUp to do this. So it's brought it into SketchUp here, and now it is coming into Site Ops to scale with aerial photography and, more importantly, ground topography shown in the background here. And I'm going to turn off the topography for now, just for clarification. And I'm going to sketch in a property boundary for this site that would be suitable for a corner pharmacy, which I think this town may be lacking. So we're just going to draw in a boundary here, close it, change the properties of this so that it becomes my property boundary. And then once I'm in here, I'm going to take a preloaded pharmacy building footprint that we have from past projects and sit it on the site here. And I've shown this in some previous videos of how this site planning software works. I'm just going to show something really quickly here. It's covered in a little more detail in some of the other videos. But what I've done is I've just drawn in a parking lot, and then when I hit the site planning solver, it automatically drafts in all these parking spaces. And you can see as I drag it around, it's automatically updated the parking geometry inside of it. So I can take this building and move it, and it'll automatically update all these parking spaces, which is just very valuable for quick site planning, site evaluation and planning use on sites. So I'm going to do a little fine tuning here, turn off some of these parking areas. I'm going to add a driveway entrance here, that drawn in. I'm going to add another one that goes all the way through to make the drive-through of the property. And you can see just how quickly the software draws this in. I'll have to go in and do some fine-tuning of this to make everything a little more finished. But just for this demo, I'm going to continue on, and I'm going to now load in one of the new improvements to the software, which is visualization aspect. And so through Google SketchUp, you can go to the public warehouse where they have models preloaded for a lot of different things, one of which is buildings. And so for this corner pharmacy, I went in and I selected a model for it, which was already built for visualization. And when I come through to the grading solver here, again, what this software does is it uses all the properties that I define, and it sits here and it grades the site. And in real time, you can see in the bottom right corner, it's assigning costs for the work that needs to be done to get this to work, with the cut and fill, the pavement, the sidewalk. I'm going to turn that off and show you the newest tool, which is the visualization. And I'm going to turn some of these things on and off. And you can see, make this a little bigger. This is the building that I took from the SketchUp. And this is something that I've done in a couple of minutes here. It's shown what this looks like. We can not only do a site plan, give you cost estimates, but now we can do this visualization very quickly. And actually what this software does from here, we can export into Google Earth. And I took this file already and took that model. And this is just a small file that is created. We can email out to anybody. It runs in Google Earth. And it's the model that we created earlier to scale, shown in Google Earth here. And so we can do the same kind of panning and zooming around this site to see what it looks like in context. And it just runs on the standard Google Earth software that so many people have on their desktop. So in a matter of minutes, we can do this site evaluation work quickly and accurately using this new software. Please give me a call or an email, and I'd be happy to show you more. Thanks.